Everyone and welcome to today's video. This is a basic level ESL lesson. Today we're going to be talking more about adjectives and sentence structure. Alright, so read this information and then listen and repeat.
The tomato is big. It is a big tomato. It is big. The tomato is small. It is a small tomato. It is small. The boots are big. They are big boots. They are big. The boots are small. They are small boots. They are small.
So we use words like big and small to describe size, and these are very common words, especially when you're looking at clothing sizes or shoe sizes, those kinds of things. Okay, large is similar to big, and little is like small. So large and big are the same, and small and little are the same. So again, I'll play these, listen, and be sure to repeat out loud.
The tomato is large. It is a large tomato. It is large. The tomato is little. It is a little tomato. It is little. The boots are large. They are large boots. They are large. The boots are little. They are little boots. They are little.
All right, and then we can talk about how much of something. When we talk about how much of something, we usually use large and small. So size is how big or how small, and amount is how much.
There is a small amount of food on the plate. There is a small amount of water in the bottle. This is a large amount of money. Jeremy works 6 days a week. He spends a large amount of time at work.
All right, so now listen and see if you can complete the sentences, and then I'll play it again so you can check your answers.
There is a large crowd at the concert. The chef puts a small amount of salt on the food. The birthday gift is in a little box. This plant has little flowers. The blue whale is a large animal. This is a big truck.
Okay, I'll play it again and we'll fill in the answers this time.
There is a large crowd at the concert. The chef puts a small amount of salt on the food. The birthday gift is in a little box. This plant has little flowers. The blue whale is a large animal. This is a big truck.
All right, so now make some sentences of your own using big, little, small, and large, and then to describe these things. You can pause the video, try that on your own, and then restart when you're ready to continue. All right, so now we're going to talk about tall and short. So we use tall and short to describe vertical dimension. So vertical is up and down, and horizontal is from left to right. So just listen and repeat.
These are tall trees. The trees are tall. In this picture, you can see the tall buildings in Chicago. Ethan is short. Brad and Kyle are wearing short socks.
Right, here's some more examples of long and short. Use long and short to describe the horizontal dimension.
This is a dragonfly. It has a long body. This bird is an emu. It has a short beak. This bird is a spoonbill. It has a long beak. The road is long. It goes for 60 miles.
And then some more information about long and short. We use long and short to show the distance or the time from start to finish. So you might have a long story, a short vacation, a long walk, a short text, a long list of ingredients, or a short English class. And you can try to think of some other examples of your own. We use high to describe the distance from the ground or the base. So again, it's more of a vertical description. So tall is the height from the bottom up, and high is how far something is from the ground.
The bird is high above the ground. The book is on a high shelf. The bird is on a high branch. He is high above the ground.
Right, so now listen and complete the sentences.
This week, I have a short shopping list. The hot air balloons are high in the sky. This big ship travels on long journeys. I have a small ladder in my kitchen.
Yeah, I'll play it again and fill in the answers.
This week, I have a short shopping list. The hot air balloons are high in the sky. This big ship travels on long journeys. I have a small ladder in my kitchen.
Right, now again, we'll listen, complete the sentences.
This room has a high ceiling. I have a small lemon tree in my apartment. This is a large playground for children. The giraffe eats leaves from a tall tree. This room has a high ceiling. I have a small lemon tree in my apartment. This is a large playground for children. The giraffe eats leaves from a tall tree.
All right, so here we can look at this information and use an adjective to make a sentence. So how would you describe her hair? We might say she has short hair. So go ahead and try to make your own sentences. How would you describe these buildings, the bridge, this group of friends? And you can use any of these adjectives you'd like to make a sentence. And here's some additional practice with sentences. So again, use these adjectives and write a full sentence to describe each of the things that you see in the pictures. And to finish, we're going to look at some different ways we use these words in English. See if you can guess the correct adjective that goes in each of these sentences. Pause the video while you do that. Maybe write down your ideas, and then I'll play it again and we'll fill in the answers.
Amelia is in bed today. She has a high temperature. That was a short movie. Just 45 minutes. They are unhappy. They have a big problem with the computer. Carol and Sam enjoy going for a long walk. It's a long flight from Los Angeles to Sydney.
All right, and that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.